Hello everyone, this is Amir from Chemistry. Today I will show how to upgrade your firmware version of Canon R5 latest version 1.8.1. So for this you have to just format your memory card, which one you will use for contain the latest firmware. Just format your memory card. Next we will go to Canon website. I will provide the link in description. From this upgrade version we will mainly get the IBIS High Resolution Shot. So we'll get the software from this link. We'll click here and we'll go to the next page. From here we'll get the update version. There is 1.8.1 and we'll click here. Then we'll go to another page, and finally from here we'll get the final link. So we'll download it from here. Now we'll unzip the file. This is very simple, and from here we will get the main file. We will transfer only this file, FIR file, to our memory card. No other file, only this file. Now we will insert this card to our camera, and you can use SD card also. Just insert it. Just go to setting and firmware. From here just click on the firmware. You will get a message to upgrade your firmware version. Just simply press the yes. I have already upgraded to 1.8.1. This process is really slow, so don't get panic. It will take time. Just hold your nerve. So you can see this, we have already done 100 and there is a message update is complete. So from this upgrade we'll get IBIS High Resolution Shot. We'll get 400 megapixel photo. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you next time.